husband, Paul Larby, together with Jane Wright, the whipper-in, and one of the joint masters, James Strauss. Also taking the salute, for Jane, Gina Hale, Kate Beaumont, and John Michael, all of whom are joint masters of the Grand Rifle. So do give Mr. Larby a round of applause as he takes these championship-winning hounds round the ring here at the Southwell Ploughing. The Golden Rufford has their hunt ball at Barney-Moor on the 22nd of November. I've been specifically told to tell you that if you buy a ticket by the 5th of October, you'll get it cheap. So why don't you contact their secretary, who can be found on www.Rufford, and they will tell you not only how to go to the hunt ball, but how to follow these hounds through their superb country. These championship winning hounds.